for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, running boards, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, security system, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.